guys! In this short video, you'll learn how to split and join viewports directly in your Model tab. Perfect to kapag gusto mong mag-focus sa iba't ibang areas ng drawing tapos biglang kailangan mo ng mas malaking workspace. Quick tip lang to pero promise game changer siya sa workflow mo.
Alam niyo ba na pwede kang magkaroon ng multiple viewports sa Model tab? Yes, hindi lang sa layout yan. To do that, punta lang tayo sa View tab natin. And makikita natin dito yung Model Viewports panel natin. We only have to click the viewport configuration tapos pipilian lang natin yung 4 equal. And that's it. May 4 na viewports na tayo. Lahat nakafocus sa same drawing pero pwedeng magkakaibang views. Now let's play around a bit. Click lang tayo sa top left viewport natin. And then zoom in natin ng kaunti. And then let's span it a bit as well. There you go. And then click na naman tayo sa top right naman. Then let's span it a bit as well. And let's position it this way. There you go. And the bottom left, zoom tayo sa reception area natin. And bottom right, ito naman, sa bean store natin. So ngayon, as you can see, iba-iba na yung views natin. And here's where it gets interesting. Minsan, may part ng drawing na gusto mong tutukan, pero bitin yung space, di ba? So instead of closing the viewports, pwede mo silang pagsamahin. And kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga linya sa pagitan ng viewports, like this one, pwede nyo yung i-drag para palakihin or paliitin yung views. Ang gagawin natin, i-join natin sila. Piliin muna natin yung viewport na gusto nating maging dominant, which is the second viewport. We also have here the join viewports. And as we click it, it wants us to specify the dominant viewport, this one. And then, ano yung viewport na gusto nating i-join doon sa dominant viewport natin, which is this one. As you can see, joined na sila. Nagkaroon tayo ng isang mas malaking workspace and then mas comfortable magtrabaho.
So ayan, auto pips, split when you need focus, join when you need space. This viewport trick is perfect kapag nag-juggle ka ng multiple areas sa isang drawing. Small tip, big workflow win. Try it out sa next project mo and you'll wonder bakit ngayon mo lang siya nagamit.
Once again, this is Lay, your AutoCAD geek. CAD your way to creativity. Kita-kits sa susunod.